massive explosion in Kyiv around midnight. A powerful explosion rumbled across the region of the Ukrainian capital. Tonight, a series of explosions rocked the territory of the Ukrainian capital city. The explosion turned out to be so powerful that a huge dome of fire formed on the spot, indicating devastating consequences and immense power. Local residents reported that moments before the explosion, glowing objects could be observed in the sky, rapidly flying towards the earth. This is also confirmed by a number of video frames, where people can actually see how the unknown ammunition flew at high speed actually shine. In another video frame, you can see the explosion itself at close range, and the consequences of such an attack, which confirms the information about the extreme destructive power of ammunition. It is known that shortly before the explosion in Kyiv, one could see the work of the Ukrainian air defense systems, judging by the video footage, shooting down several air targets, although we are talking about the use of anti-aircraft installations. Which objects were destroyed as a result of the devastating attacks were not reported.